The spotted sandpipers. They are known for their long bodies and narrow wings. They are endemic to Africa, Asia, Europe, Oceania, North America, South America, and Central America. Scientifically, the spotted sandpipers are classified under the class of the aves. The spotted sandpipers mostly feed on flies, beetles, snails, worms, crabs, shrimps, clams, and spiders. The adults can grow to a length ranging between 12 to 66 centimeters long, and they can weigh over 18 grams. The spotted sandpipers have a lifespan of about 12 years in the wild.